Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing our tropical mead. Okay, so welcome back everybody. I've got a couple of notes here now. So this mead we racked into secondary roughly about 11 months ago. So it's had almost a year of clearing out. And I mean, look at that. That really has cleared out. Just put a page behind it. That is gorgeous. Fantastic. It finished at 11.6% and it stopped at 0.998, which means it's very dry. In this one we used pineapple, coconut and orange zest. So I'm really excited to give this a go. However, this was back when I was doing it before I made the conversion from US gallons to UK gallons. So the flavours I'm imagining might be a little bit off and not as fruitful as we hoped. But anyway, let's give it a try. On the nose you can definitely smell the pineapple and coconut. Can't smell so much of the orange. Let's give it a pour. I mean, look how clear that is. That's one of the benefits of aging your mead, is it will clear. There is still a little bit of sediment from this, which is in the bottom there. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up, but there is a little bit of sediment in the bottom there. Not much, admittedly, not much, but looking at it, you can see some little bits floating around, just a bit of sediment floating around there. But ultimately, that is quite clear. And as I said, that is the benefit of aging your mead, is it will clear nicely and it should bring the flavours out. It doesn't smell very strong, it doesn't smell very alcoholic like jet fuel, which is a good sign. Okay, let's give it a taste. It does taste quite strong. It's yeah, it doesn't have as much of a character taste as I was hoping to. You can kind of taste a bit of the coconut and the orange zest at the back of the mouth there. It is quite flavoursome. It is quite nice. However, I would probably choose to add more pineapple to it, a bit more zest to it. You can definitely taste the coconut in it, or the coconut pineapple mix. It reminds me a lot of what it smelled like back in the primary stage. The aroma is quite nice, mind. It doesn't smell very sour. I think it is just unfortunate that I used the wrong measurements in it. It's quite light to taste, it's not very sickly or acidic. Considering it's mainly citrusy things like pineapple and orange. I do think, yeah, it would need another extra bit of pineapple, but that's just my own personal comments, as I like pineapple. I like the juice, pineapple juice, so I was hoping to have a bit more of a pineapple feel with it, with a hint of orange in it. But as it for a quick tasting review, that's quite nice. It's very light. It doesn't taste too alcoholic. I could drink that quite easily, but I do think it would need a bit more flavour to it. I was kind of hoping it might have been a little bit more sweet. I mean, it is more on the sweeter scale than it's like a soury, but it's not quite as sweet as I was expecting it to be. I just am overwhelmed with the clarity of it. Look at that. There is a hint of pineapple there. I can taste a hint of pineapple, but it's mainly overwhelmed with the coconut, I think. That is quite a pleasurous drink. I do enjoy that, actually. I know I keep saying it, guys, but would have liked to add a bit more flavour to it. However, the recipe was a bit on the wrong side, so hopefully I might make it again with the right amount this time, and I'll compare the two then. Ooh, pardon me. Anyway, thank you very much, guys, for joining me today. It is just a quick video on just a little review, as so many of you have been asking for reviews. I thought I'd just do a quick one, as this one was close to a year. I mean, it's only got maybe a month and a half left at the most. I have actually quite enjoyed doing a little bit of a review. Tell me what you guys think about it, and also tell me what you think of the quality of this video. This main one that I'm using in front of me is my new camera, so tell me what you like about it. Personally, I quite like using the product showcase. It's got this automatic sort of focus on it, on the product, and I think it just picks up this Mead perfectly. Look at that. So yes, thank you very much, guys. If you've enjoyed, please leave me a thumbs up down below. Drop a comment on what flavour you think I should do next. I can't remember which Mead is up for review next, but it'll be there somewhere. And as always, my friends, please subscribe if you've enjoyed. It's free. Share it with amongst your friends. And until next time, cheers.